Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Johnson. Today I'm going to talk to you about the certain design choices I made on this infograph on the economic impact of forestry in Idaho. I would first like to explain my color choices, based on the color theory. People associate the color green with growth, harmony, freshness, and fertility. Therefore, the color green was an obvious choice. This goes hand in hand with my infograph. The two main themes being harvest of trees and the money behind the industry in Idaho. I use the rule of 3 with my color palette, using the 3 base colors white, green, and black. This helped me keep a high level of contrast, allowing things to pop out of the page, as well as keeping the colors visually appealing. For the data organized, I chose to offset the data in 2 columns, rotating the graphics and the words. This was done because it helps the viewer's eyes bounce from subject to subject as they flow down the page. I also created a border around the data, and I believe this helps the reader focus on the infograph and helps them keep their eyes from drifting off the page. I chose to use a variety of different icons and images, intending to keep the infograph friendly as well as visually appealing. I believe this to be important because it invites the reader to read the infograph and doesn't make it appear too heavy or wordy. I also tried to make some of the data more visually appealing by using the state of Idaho as a graphical representation of the percentage of forested lands. Not only does this help show the percentage of lands covered in forests, but it helps them relate the statistic to the state of Idaho. I also used a tree as a visual representation of trees are money. This helps the reader make the connection between the image and the statistic for an easier understanding of the infograph. All these techniques are used as a visual tool to help draw the attention to the viewer. I hope you enjoyed my infograph, and thank you for watching my screencast.